These are all the open chords you guys need to know on the guitar. There's only 12 or 13 depending on how you look at them. Open chords are chords that are down around the first fret and contain one or more of the open strings, so fret number 0. We're going to start with the A major chord. These are 3 fingers right in a row, and this one starts from the 5th string, so it's only 5 strings. Make sure your fingers are curled over so that we get the open first string. Then we have the A minor chord. Then we have a C chord. Then we have a D major chord. This is the triangle shape. We have a D minor chord. We have an E major chord, an E minor chord. Then we have the F chords. A standard F starts from the F note, the 4th string, 3rd fret, and it'll have a bar. Your first finger will bar the 1st and 2nd string. Then we have the F major 7 that we see all the time. It's the same chord, but it has the open string. And then the chord we see most people using for F is actually an F/C chord. This has a C in the bass. This one starts from our 5th string and still has a bar on the 1st and 2nd string. We'll sometimes see this as an F major 7 with the C in the bass. So we just have our first finger standing up. And then we have our G chord. There's a lot of different ways to play our G chord. This is the way we usually see people play it, and oftentimes they don't have the first finger on, so it's just muting out the 5th string. That happens with your middle finger just barely touching the 5th string, and it's pretty easy to do that. It happens accidentally. Then there's the G we see in the book all the time that has the open 2nd string. And then we have the form 2 way to play that G, which will be with the harder fingers, but it makes for an easier transition from things like a C. Then there's 2 more bonus chords. There's a C add 9 that we see a lot. Then because there's no open B chords, we see a B7 a lot of times. These are the only 12 or 13 open chords that you need to memorize. Make sure you guys learn these. Good luck.